What is up, guys? Welcome to today's tutorial. And today I'm going to be showing you, how to create, this text here with curved, edges. As you can see in the cast iron, we have a normal font in cast iron, and you can see the the font is deformed, in a way to look nice. I can see also here we have a nice vintage font, and then you see the font being deformed on the top, a slight um, a slight inward bend at the top and at the bottom, and also for this abstraction here. And in the second example, you see a text here, normal font, also deformed to make it look nice. And how this is done is using the wrap tool here, or the envelope tool in CorelDraw. So you can see here it is used to change the shape of an object by applying and dragging the nodes of an envelope. So I'm going to show you how it is used, and we'll just play a little with some font. So let's take a word bend. Okay, and let's use a font. Come on, let's use this slab font, and let's select the envelope tool, which you can find here um, under the shadow contour blend. You see envelope right here. So the first thing you notice when you select it is that you see nodes that you can adjust. You see, when you adjust it, it gives you an effect. When you select this node and move it, you see it gives an effect. Select each of the nodes, it gives an effect. And one thing you notice that each of the effects has a curved feel or a curve applied to it. And so how you're going to use it is by editing the properties of each of the node. So as it is, this node selected here, you can see that it has some curves. So if um, any adjustment I make to it is in a curve form. So I'm going to show you how I made this shape. So in order to do that, um, we have at the bottom here, we have a node here, a node here, and a node here. But I want a smooth U curve. So I can select this node and delete it, pressing delete on my keyboard. And then I have two nodes here. So what I want to do is to just click and drag this downward. And voila, we have a nice looking text here. Now I want to do something like the vintage we have here. Just type in vintage. If my spelling is correct. Right? Like we have here. We'll do the same thing. Let's use the same font. Right. So over here in vintage, you can see that the top is curved down and the bottom also curved down. So selecting the envelope tool here, I can select the one at the bottom, delete that node, we don't need it, and the one on top and delete it. And what I'll do is I'll select the center and just move it down a bit, and over here just select that center and move it up some a bit. You can see we have this nice panoramic view of the text. And I'll just do one more. Let's do for this hernia. So let's have bend. Let's have bender. Okay, let's make it the same font, basic. So the way the envelope tool works, however I adjust the node, gives me a nice feel. So you can see here we have it straight. Now watch if I move this over to the left, I move it, you can see that we don't have a straight line. That's because the property of the envelope here is curved. So I want to convert all this to a straight line. So I'm just going to delete this node here because we don't need it. We want a straight line. And select this two node and make it here to convert it to a straight line. That was a mistake. So here we have it. I select a node and apply the property here as a straight line. So then I can adjust this the way I want. And over here, I want to bend this in. I can delete this and then move this in some. Move this in. I can bring this down and adjust this node. You know, I can delete this and make this come down a little. I can delete this and play around with the node, the handles. See, this handle used to control the curve. I can just play with it to give me whatever feel or design that I probably want to get out of the text. Right, I think I'm liking the way this looks. So just make this a straight line. Not that. And this straight line. Just make it go in a little more. You can probably play with this some till I like what I see. And I think I like the way this looks, and I leave it at that. So that's it, guys. That's how to use the envelope tool in CorelDraw. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this on using the tools in CorelDraw, subscribe to the channel. I post videos every week, 2 videos every week, which you can learn from. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.